the latest and most advanced drones that exist so far. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about the latest and most advanced drones that exist so far. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is the latest and most advanced drone from DJI. It is a small, lightweight drone that is easy to fly and takes great photos and videos. The Mini 2 has all of the same features as the larger DJI Mavic 2 Pro, but it is much smaller and lighter. This makes it perfect for travel and aerial photography. The Mini 2 also has a longer flight time than the Mavic 2 Pro, so you can stay in the air for longer. DJI Mini 3 Pro. As the most advanced drone in the world, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is packed with features that allow it to stand out from the competition. Its portability and easy-to-use controls make it the perfect drone for anyone, whether they are a beginner or an experienced pilot. With its 4 Kelvin camera and 3-axis gimbal, the DJI Mini 3 Pro gives users the ability to capture stunning video and photos from any angle. And with a maximum flight time of 30 minutes, it's perfect for capturing those long-awaited moments. DJI Air 2S. As the name suggests, the DJI Air 2S is the successor to the much-loved DJI Air 2. It's a professional-grade drone that's packed with features and is capable of capturing amazing video footage and photos. Let's take a closer look at what makes the DJI Air 2S so special. The camera is one of the biggest upgrades on the DJI Air 2S. It now has a 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures 20 megapixel photos and 5.4K video at 60 frames per second. That's some serious image quality. The camera also has an upgraded 3-axis gimbal that provides even smoother video footage. The DJI Air 2S also comes with some great new safety features. This feature allows the drone to automatically avoid collisions with other aircraft. There's also an emergency brake function that can stop the drone in its tracks if needed. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 is the latest and most advanced drone that exists so far. It has a 4 Kelvin camera and can fly for up to 30 minutes. It is also much smaller and more portable than previous models, making it the perfect drone for travel. DJI Mini 3. Now that we have taken a look at some of the older models, let's move on to the latest and most advanced drones that exist so far. The DJI Mini 3 is one of these new models. This drone is much smaller than its predecessors, making it much more portable. It also has a longer flight time and a higher top speed. In addition, it comes with a new remote control that has an integrated LCD screen. This allows you to see what the drone's camera is seeing in real time. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is the latest and most advanced drone that exists so far. It is a very compact, foldable and portable drone that is perfect for traveling and taking with you on the go. The drone has a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a range of up to 4 kilometers. It also has a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage and can shoot 4 Kelvin video at 60 feet. DJI Avata. The DJI Avata is one of the latest and most advanced drones that exist so far. It is a flying camera that can be controlled by your smartphone or tablet. The Avata can stay in the air for up to 25 minutes and has a range of up to 1.6 miles, 2.5 kilometers. The Avata's camera is capable of taking high-quality photos and videos. It has a resolution of 12 megapixels and can record 4 Kelvin video at 30 frames per second. The camera is also stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, so your footage will be smooth even if the drone is moving around. One of the best features of the DJI Avata is its obstacle avoidance system. This system uses sensors to detect obstacles in front of the drone and automatically avoid them. Rise Tello. The Rise Tello is a mini drone that offers a great flying experience. It is easy to fly and has a variety of features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. The Tello is also very affordable, making it a great option for those on a budget. The Rise Tello is one of the latest and most advanced drones that exist so far. It offers a great flying experience and is easy to fly. The Rise Tello has a variety of features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced drone pilots. Where drone technology is going. Drone technology has come a long way in recent years. And the latest and most advanced drones are truly amazing. Here is a look at where drone technology is going. The skies are no longer the limit for drones. They are now able to fly at extremely high altitudes and can even be used for space exploration. Drones are becoming more and more autonomous, meaning that they can be operated without a human pilot. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, such as using drones for deliveries or other tasks that would traditionally require a human pilot. Drones are also getting smaller and more portable, making them more convenient to use. The camera quality of drones is improving all the time, making them perfect for photography and videography. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.